In today's video, we'll have a look at how mural green is applied in Kerala mural painting. First, we'll have a look at the color mixing ratio for mural green. Sap green 80%, yellow ochre 20%, and scarlet lake little at the end of the brush. That's how the color mixing ratio is taken, and if red exceeds, this whole mix will turn into brown, so we should be very careful that we take scarlet lake at a minimal level. Like explained in our previous videos, we can add water and dilute the mix. Since this is a painting of Lord Krishna, we have very less elements of mural green applicable in this painting. Here I've started from the background elements. Like explained in our previous videos, using the highlighting and shading method, green is applied. The next element is cherry pool. Next, we have green applied in Kiridam. Next, we are painting green in clothing elements. 2 to 3 coats are applied to achieve the desired ratio. In this video, you can make a note of which elements we have applied mural green to and then apply it in a similar way. Along with green, I am also including the element of tilakam because it's a very small element and we do not have to do a separate video on it. So I am adding that element to this video as well. We have used mural yellow and mural red there. So this is how mural green has been applied, and I'll see you again in our next tutorial, which is mural blue.